Okay, so this is the instructional video for assembling the dice drawer, which also has a nesting token tray in it for the setup tokens. So first thing we're going to start with on this is we'll grab these little pieces here. So I guess before we start here, so we're recommending gluing all the pieces here. Typically when we're doing that, put the glue kind of in the valleys of the piece when you're assembling it like this so that you get a nice solid glue joint there. So put glue there, you're popping this in, pop both these small pieces into this piece, just like that. And then this is going to drop down into the base piece here. Flip that around. Again, gluing all the pieces as you're putting them together. So this little piece, this little assembly here is going to be holding the clone coin tokens that will go in here vertically. So once we get those three pieces on the base, we take one of the side walls, we're going to kind of line that up on these tabs here, going into the slots here. A little bit tricky on camera. There we go. Everything nice and tight. And we're just kind of work our way around. So we'll start with this side. Be easier to see stuff later on. But again, glue in all these spots here. Pop this in. Work our way around. We go to the other side wall here. It helps us start on one side and work around the parts, just like that. And then the other long front wall here. So this is going to retain some of the larger cards once you put this into the card holder insert itself. So we're going to start on one side. Just kind of work our way around. Okay. So there's the dice drawer. Set that off to the side for right now. And then one of the token trays here. So the first pieces on this we're going to put in are these middle divider walls. Goes in just like that, and like that. And then we're going to take the longer divider wall, but we have to put these end pieces on first because they're going to insert in like this. So these stick in just like this. I'm going to put that notch into this tab here, like that. And glue on all the valley portions here. And this is just going to insert right into this overall assembly. Put this a little bit over this way. Just going to wiggle these walls until it allows it to slide past. There we go. And then you should just be able to line everything up and squeeze it all together. Yep. And then you take either one of the side walls here. And again, glue on all the valley spots here. Try to line it up on these little tabs. And just kind of work the way around. Make sure it's nice and tight. Flip it over, do the same thing with this wall. I'll work the way around. And you want to make sure this one's nice and tight because this is nesting inside of this one. So if it's not tight, it's not going to have very good clearances on that. But once it's all put together, so you just kind of drops right in like that.